suspects confessing to spying in exchange for visa and money. Times Now has accessed exclusive confession videos that reveal a Pakistani espionage network operating through the High Commission in India, targeting Indian nationals who are seeking Pakistani visas. As per sources, Pakistani intel officers stationed at the Pakistan High Commission in India follow a four-step process. And to break it down to us, Priyank is live with us. But listen in to the confession that has come in first. This is a confession that the spy network runs deep and it runs from the Pakistan High Commission. Take a look.
बात करता था वो, उसने भी अभी ये कहा कि तू एक काम कर, पैसा कमाना है दोनों को और बंदा भेज देख रहे हैं। अब तो दुनिया 15-15 हज़ार रुपये दे रही है, 10,000 से कम किसी से मत करिए बात। आधा तो ले लियो, आधा मैं ले लूँगा, दोनों पैसा कमाऊँगा। मैं चल ठीक है। उसके बाद मैं फिर उसके पास भी मैंने 4-5 बंदा भेजा। फिर वो तीसरी बार उससे भी वीज़ा ले लिया मैंने। तीसरी बार वीज़ा ले लिया, मैं वहाँ से आ गया, वीज़ा ले गए। फिर मैं पाकिस्तान चला गया। पाकिस्तान जाने के बाद तीसरी बार फिर मैं वहाँ से जब आया ना, आने के बाद फिर उसके जब मेरे पास बाद में कॉल आई, फिर उसने कहा कि अब तो है जो सिम से काम नहीं चलेगा, अब तो वीज़ा नहीं लगेगा तेरा। जब मैं वीज़ा ले गया तो अब कुछ हमारे लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा और उसके लिए हम तुझे लाखों रुपये देंगे, जहाँ भेजेंगे वहाँ जा सकता है। अब मैंने वहाँ तो उनके सामने हाँ भर ली। फिर ठीक है, जैसे कहा मैं वहाँ चला जाऊँगा। उसने कहा कि सिरसा जाना है और एयरफोर्स से जो उसके बारे में उसकी फ़ोटो वीडियो कुछ हमें देनी पड़ेगी। मैं भी ठीक है। फिर मैं वहाँ से आ गया। आने के बाद मैं घर आ गया। उसी नंबर से बात करता था वो, उसने भी अभी ये कहा कि तू एक काम कर, पैसा कमाना है दोनों को और बंदा भेज देख रहे हैं। अब तो दुनिया 15-15 हज़ार रुपये दे रही है, 10,000 से कम किसी से मत करिए बात। आधा तो ले लियो, आधा मैं ले लूँगा, दोनों पैसा कमाऊँगा। मैं चल ठीक है। उसके बाद मैं फिर उसके पास भी मैंने 4-5 बंदा भेजा। फिर वो तीसरी बार उससे भी वीज़ा ले लिया मैंने। तीसरी बार वीज़ा ले लिया, मैं वहाँ से आ गया, वीज़ा ले गए। फिर मैं पाकिस्तान चला गया। पाकिस्तान जाने के बाद तीसरी बार फिर मैं वहाँ से जब आया ना, आने के बाद फिर उसके जब मेरे पास बाद में कॉल आई, फिर उसने कहा कि अब तो है जो सिम से काम नहीं चलेगा, अब तो वीज़ा नहीं लगेगा तेरा। जब मैं वीज़ा ले गया तो अब कुछ हमारे लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा और उसके लिए हम तुझे लाखों रुपये देंगे, जहाँ भेजेंगे वहाँ जा सकता है। अब मैंने वहाँ तो उनके सामने हाँ भर ली। फिर ठीक है, जैसे कहा मैं वहाँ चला जाऊँगा। उसने कहा कि सिरसा जा।
So make no mistake about it, these are enemies of India who live on Indian soil, who are Indian nationals, and they are working against the country. They are betraying our country, and for what? Some money and a visa to where? To Pakistan. Priyank, this is a sensational revelation that has come in with the revelation that the entire spy network is actually operating through the Pakistan High Commission.
Yes, Ati, this is a very old modus operandi, but during this particular Operation Sindhu, this is very important to be seen because the Pakistanis have been time and again trying to gather information regarding the important defense establishment. But this time it was a very clear-cut gathered by them to target the defense bases, although they have failed to do that. While in this particular confession video, Tarif is clearly talking about that how he first reached to the Pakistan High Commission. His visa was denied. Later on, he was told to provide 2 SIM cards. He provided that, and then he was allowed to go to Pakistan. Once the PIO, the Pakistani intelligence officers, started to gain some faith that Tarif can work further for them, he was told to get more people so that more SIM cards can be generated, and as well as money can also be given to Tarif. And just in the name of having a good balance, the PIO also told him that half of the money will be kept by them. Once he was certainly a very confident man for the Pakistan intelligence officers. He was specifically told to go to Sirsa and take the pictures of the defense establishment which is there in Sirsa, and then he was told that he'll be given ₹1 lakh so that he can provide further detail, and the SIM card was not enough for them. So in this time period while Operation Sindoor was being carried out, while the blackouts were already there, these suspects being in touch with the Pakistani intelligence officers is very important to be seen. We know that there have been series of Indian SIM card numbers which were trying to approach those family members near the Bhatinda air base. The video which certainly went viral. These calls were made by the Pakistani operatives using these SIM cards which was acquired by the High Commission officers who have now been declared persona non grata by the Indian officials. So if you look at the chain of event, it is clearly establishing that Pakistanis were trying to get information. They had already secured these SIM cards which were used during the Operation Sindoor time period once the Pahalgam attack happened, and there were speculations that India might attack the Pakistanis. So during this particular time period, while the country was certainly getting prepared for the war, these SIM cards being given by these Indian spies to the Pakistani operative is very important to be seen. That's why multiple of them have been arrested. Tarif is the new one who has been arrested from Mewat itself. Earlier to that, we know that Arman was arrested from Nuh, which also lies in the Mewat sector. We know that multiple individuals have been arrested from Haryana and Punjab. Jyoti Malhotra being
multiple locations across the country, isn't it? And these are traitors who have sold their soul, who have sold their integrity, and were attempting to sell the nation by giving out this information just for some money, just for some cash. All of it happening from the Pakistan High Commission.